I want you to think about what I can give unconditionally that doesn't overstep your boundary. Let's restate that, and Sam, plop this on the screen. What can I give unconditionally that doesn't overstep my boundary? For me, this was so powerful because in a past relationship, my most recent, I gave and I gave. And sometimes it was past the boundary, and sometimes it was too much, and I gave too much. And I think a lot of women watching this can kind of relate to me. It's like you give, you give, you give, right? And then what happens? The man doesn't give as much as you, and then you start to resent him. Now that's not healthy. So why this resonated so much with me is giving is healthy. Giving is great. But the way you start resenting someone is when you give, but you gave past your line of your boundary. So next time you hop in a relationship, or next time you're giving to anyone, whether it be your boss, your parents, your family, your friends, doesn't align with where you feel comfortable. If it doesn't, don't do it. And even if you know it's going to give them immense happiness, but it still, crosses that line for you, you need to take care of yourself so that ultimately you take care of them too. So that down the road, you don't start to hate them and resent them. And this is something that I personally really needed to work on because I love to give. And I love to make someone happy. So I would constantly poop on myself on some boundary that I totally crossed and just went whoop right over that line in the sand. And it made me not happy because it's like, I didn't want to do that. And eventually it wore me down. And it was super, super unhealthy. And it was 100% my fault. And so ladies, you, me, all of us, we need to take accountability and stop crossing that boundary and doing things that we don't want to do. All right. I love all of you. We'll put more videos there and there. Go check them out. We'll see you next time.